Hello, welcome back to lesson 3 of learning how to read and perform rhythms. In the previous 2 lessons, we discussed defined and discussed and explained how beats and tempo worked with music and how they kind of ran music in a way. Beat was the pulse of music that kept the music driving forward, just like our heart beat is a driving pulse that keeps our blood flowing through our bodies and all that stuff. And then tempo told us how fast that beat was going to go. Now, next part of learning how to read and perform rhythms is right here. I can identify bar lines, measures, and time signatures. Now, first thing I want to show you, time signatures. Pretty simple to identify one. 2 numbers stacked on top of each other. That's it. 2 numbers on top of each other. One, top, bottom. Could be anything. Several different things. I want to show you the most common one, what we're going to start off with. And actually, most music that you listen to on the radio or on your iPods or whatever you kids are doing these days. If you listen to music nowadays, most of them are going to be in this time signature. And it is. Hold your breath. Drum roll. Bam. 4/4. I built that up a lot. It's not that special. But that's what the most common time signature is. 4/4. Alright? A lot of times composers will just put, instead of just putting 4/4, they'll put a C, which stands for common time. It's the most common time signature out there. Alright? So that's what it looks like. Don't worry about what it means yet. Bar lines. I'm sorry, I had to have a little fun here. I'm sitting here talking to nobody. Me and Cal are just sitting in my office and I'm doing these videos. So, just bear with me. I'm trying to make this a little entertaining for myself also. And just bear with me. Alright, anyway. Bar lines. Very simple. Ready? Bam! There's a bar line. Not much to it. That's a bar line. Let's throw another one. Let's throw another one. Let's throw another one. Now I skipped around a little bit just to have a little fun, but usually you just go that way. But those are bar lines. You never put a bar line right after the time signature. It just gets too cluttered. You want music to be neat and clean so you can read it a little bit better. That's a bar line. Time signature. What's left? Measures. You ready? I'm going to draw you a measure. Ready? There it is. Measures are already there. What the bar lines are doing, they're splitting the music up into measures. The measures are already here. Let me show you. Space right here. From the time signature to the first bar line, just kind of coloring it in. That's measure 1. Measure 2. Measure 3. Measure 4. Now, why did I write 4 measures? I don't know. Just did it. I could have written 1,000, 1,000,000. It doesn't matter. Composer can write as many measures as they see fit. Every how many they need, that's how many they write. I just wrote 4 because that just looks good to me on this board. No reason. So, you got the time signature, the bar lines, splitting the rhythm up into measures. Let me write down the measures for you so you can see a little bit more clearly. So here's the start of measure 1, measure 2, measure 3, measure 4. And that's what a time signature looks like. That's what a measure looks like. That's what bar lines look like. Next video, I will talk to you more about what the top number of the time signature is and then how that works with these measures all the way through here. Okay, I'll see you in a second. Hope